Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to manage accounts on Epic Games. Like I said in one of my previous videos that Epic Games is like the mother company and the other companies under the mother company. So what I mean is that Epic Games is generally under the Epic Games we still have Fortnite, Rocket League, Fall Guys. Let's also say you want to manage the account you're doing on it. First thing you do is you from your preferred browser, you type in epicgames.com and then from there you sign into your credentials. And once you're through, you open up this particular page. So what you do is that on the left hand menu, go down to apps and accounts, click on it. And then here you can see your account. So now you can manage permission of applications and connected accounts. So you can see here you can connect your Epic Games to Steam, to GitHub, to Twitch, to Xbox, PlayStation Network, Nintendo account, and Lego account. It all depends on you. So if anyone is connect, you click on connect. So you want to connect your Nintendo account and Epic Game account. Now connecting Nintendo account will allow you to share your profile data, game progression, purchases, and end game content to your Epic Games account. Once you connect into the account to your Epic Games account, you will not be able to connect a different to the account yet. In order to connect the account, you will be directed to the website to sign in. So you want to do this, click on connect account. And then once you're there, you have to sign in and from there follow the online prompts. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.